Hey, welcome back to the Nut House. So glad you can join me, honey. There ain't no time for no introductions today. This is about business today, all right? Now, I hope, like I said, I say what I mean, and I mean what I say. Y'all got them nail brushes ready? Because, baby, it's time to rumble. We about to put these 5 polygels to the test. I'm about to answer all the questions y'all want to know. How long do they last? Is there any burning when you go up under the lamp? Whatever else you be asking. I don't quite remember right now, but we're going to get to the answers of that. Let me show you the kits that I will be using today, and I'm gonna play fair because I'm gonna use everything that comes with the kits. Okay, so we're gonna go in with your Yogi. So your Yogi comes with base and a top coat, and I'm going to go in with the clear of all the kits, with the exception of one, because one does not have a clear. So I'm gonna use light pink with that one. Okay, but look at here, your Yogi picker and brush does not have a name, so your Yogi, baby, we're gonna need you to get a little better with that one. All right, you're gonna have to put your name on. It's all I'm saying. It's all I'm saying, okay? All right, so we're going to use your Yogi. All right, let me move that to the side. And then we're going to go in with my cart. All right. Now, like, look here, I'm not here to bash nobody's brands, but hey, we wants to know, right? You spend your little cointages, you wants to know. That's all I'm saying. We're going in with my cart. Now, my cart does not have a slip solution, but they do have their name on the brush, which is good. Okay, but my cart, you know, for all the folks that like slip solutions, you might want to look into that, baby. It's all I'm saying. All right, so now we're going to go in. The next kit we're going to be using will be Gershon. Okay, we're going in with Gershon, whatever you want to call it, however, whatever, but this is the one we will be going in today with. All right, so Gershon does not as well have a slip solution, so you know, Gershon, you fall in line, baby. That's all I'm saying. All right, so now, okay, we're going to, like I said, we're using clear. We moving on along because I don't want to be all over the place here. Now we're going in with another kit. We're going in with Models ones. They have a slip solution, okay? They have the base, they have the clear. And these little bottles that I'm showing, I did not mention, but these are the base and the clears to the other kits, okay? Just follow me now because this is for the beginners here, okay? So look at here. So they have a slip solution. If you like the slip solutions. Personally, I don't like the slip solution, but I'm going to use them for video purposes, okay? All right. For every kit that has a slip solution, I will use the slip solution. It has a base and a top, okay, as well. And they also has their name on their brushes. So, job well done, Model ones. And if I did not mention, Gershon also has a name on their brush. So, job well done, Gershon. All right, so now we're going on with the last and final kit here, which will be Behr, okay? I'm not going to make the mistake of calling this Bruno no more. So, yeah. So, we're going in with Behr. All right, this will be the last and final kit. Behr, yes, they do have a slip solution. Where is my slip solution? Oh, girl, it's in my hand. Shut up. Anyway, get some of my coffee. Get y'all. Anyway, they have a slip solution here. I tell you, boy, it was a snake. It would have bit me right in my nose. It would have chewed my whole hand off. Anyway, we're going to get that primer. Hey, see, I'm messing all up. Behr, I apologize for messing your little stuff up here, okay? Behr is the only polygel kit that's on the market that I know thus far has a primer, okay? So today we will be using the primer to Behr's polygel kit, okay? And they also have the logo. Hey, Behr, whoop whoop. All right, y'all, so let's get started. We're going to follow the rules here, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you like this. I'm going to keep these nails on my little fingers here for as long as I can. We're going to see which one lasts the longest. All right? Okay, y'all, now I'm back. Now, we're going to go step by step with this. I want you to follow me step by step what I'm doing here. I don't want you to miss a beat. Now, the reason I'm doing this because I just want to show y'all how these kits is working, how they perform, and I don't want to, you know, do nothing wrong here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to take the shine off each nail, all right? Now, for all the kits that does not have a slip solution, I will be using 70% alcohol as my slip solution, okay? You follow me? All right, come on, y'all. Let's get started. I'm going to turn this down real lightly. This is a fine sanding bit on here, and I'm going to go across my nail bed ever so lightly, because you don't want to go across the nail bed too rough because you mess around and get on down to your meat. And you don't want to get to your meat. That's some painful stuff. I've been there. I'm just telling you what I know, and you wouldn't like that feeling. I'm just here to tell you wouldn't like it. Okay, so just when you go across your nail bed, just go across it ever so lightly. All right, y'all, these gonna be the tips that I will be using today, okay? If you know me, you know I don't like those dual forms. I just can't get down with them. So I'm gonna go in, I'm knocking stuff over. I'm gonna go in with me some nail tips. All right, so now I'm about to apply them, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, this would be the nip. I ain't have to shake like that. Yeah, nail glue I will be using. This will be the nail glue that we'll be using, KDS. Like, girl, quit shaking like that. I can't see it. Anyway, this is some real good glue. I'm gonna leave it down in the description bar below, okay? So you can go check it out. All right, so now since I have my tip supply, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and redefine my shape, all right? Okay, the first kit I'm going to be going in with will be the Behr. Like I mentioned, they do have a primer. Add the primer to my pinky finger, just the nail bed. Okay, and I'm gonna let this sit cure for 30 seconds. Be right back. Okay, Model 1s will be the next kit that I go in with. All right, so the next one I will be going in will be your Yogi, okay? Okay, my cart will be the next kit that I go in with. I have to use alcohol for this one. Okay, the final kit that I will be going in will be Gershon. Okay. Okay, y'all, now I'm about to file, shape, and buff all of these nails here. Then I'm going to come back and talk about each system, okay? In a minute. All right, here's all the nails after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. I'm going to go in again with another alcohol wipe. Wipe them down. Okay guys, here's the final look of the nails. Now let's talk about the products themselves, okay? Now I'm not here to say which product works the best, because if you ask me, in my opinion, they all work like a dream. They all have beautiful applications to them and they work easy to work with, okay? But I will talk about the heat spikes. All right, when I applied the Behr primer to my pinky finger here, I did have heat, all right? But when I applied the base, I had no heat. When I applied the polygel itself, no heat. The ring finger here with Models 1s, with the base, I had no heat. But with the polygel, I had heat, okay? Now with your Yogi here on my middle finger here, I had no heat at all. Not with the base, not with the polygel, none at all, okay? Now my current polygel with the base, I had no heat. But with the polygel itself, I had heat, all right? And with Gershon, the last one, I had heat with both. I had heat with the base and I had heat with the polygel, all right? So I hope that answers y'all questions when y'all ask me, is there any heat spikes to the nails? I mean, to the polygels when you apply them. You may have some, you may not have some. It all depends, okay? Now that's just not to say I want to discourage anybody from using polygels, because baby, it's not like it's no excruciating pain. It's just a little heat, that's all. You know, beauty hurts sometimes, and if you want to look good, baby girl, you gotta stick your hand in there, you know, stick it in there. You feel a little heat, just shake it on off and, you know, stick it back on up in there. You'll be all right. But anyway, so that's what I wanted to say as far as the heat spikes. Now we're going to keep these nails on my little fingers here, and we're going to see how long they last. Now I don't care how long it take. Y'all may not see me perform a nail video if these things hold up a month. I may be jumping out there a bit, but we're going to see how long these nails work, all right? So for the most part, what I probably will be doing is, I know I probably won't walk around with my nails looking like this. So I may go in with some gel polish and just spiff them up a little bit, you know, add a little color. May add some little stones to this little ring finger, whatever have you. But anyway, that's what I wanted to share with y'all. So if you guys have any questions about anything with these polygels, feel free to leave it down in the description bar, baby, and I'm gonna answer to the best of my ability. That's what I do. All right, y'all, until then, I'm gonna tell you thank you so very much for tuning in to the Nut House. I appreciate you all. Until next time, I'm gonna get back with y'all with a whole nother other video. But keep in mind, I will keep y'all posted with these here polygel nails. All right, y'all, in a minute.